Hey guys, welcome back. This is AJXG here with another video. So today I'm just showing you the Jetson Bolt Pro. Okay, this bike is awesome. It is an electric bike. It goes 15 miles per hour max. Okay, has a little throttle. The seat is adjustable. Okay, and if you do run out of power, you are able to cycle with the bike. So I just wanted to show you guys this. I know this is tech, because this is a tech channel. So the battery, when you first get it, you have to do some light assembly. So you have to put the seat on, you have to put the pedals on, and there's like a little light back here that you can attach. Okay, and there's a light in the front. Okay, so these are the handlebars. Sorry. So you use this to throttle to go faster. Okay, this is the power button on the left hand side. It comes with a nice little bell, so that's really dope. This is actually priced at $350 at Costco. Some people were able to get it for $300. Since I'm not a member, I had to pay like the 5% Costco tax to get it for a little bit more. But my mom actually got it for me as a gift. Most of my tech are gifts unless I buy them myself. And yeah, I'm gonna go take it for a ride. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna show you guys a quick test ride of the bike. So the previous video, part of the video, I showed you just a bit about the bike and explained it. So I'm gonna show you at different speeds, and let's go. Alright, so right now it's kind of like, I want to say 1 to 2 miles per hour. So this is 1 to 2 miles. So I'm going to go to full throttle right now. So right now I have, I guess, 3 battery bars because I rode it a lot yesterday. So just want to show you. Just going to slow down so driving past parking lot. Yeah. So this is how it is. So I'm going to put it on cruise control. So this is on cruise control right now. So maybe this is going about 3 to 4 miles per hour. Just want to make sure I don't get ran over while I'm doing this video. Right? And then even though it's on cruise control, you can speed it up. Once you throttle it, it comes out of cruise control. So then you're like cruising on the street and enjoying your life. So this sun is fucking killing me. So I'm just gonna go to the dead end, make a quick U-turn, and head to my local mall. But this is how it is, guys. This shit is freaking awesome. I know you're probably like, why the fuck do you have a face mask on? It is still Corona, guys. I gotta stay safe in these streets. Okay. So this is kind of like a new built area, so it's really dope. They put it on cruise control. This is like, wait, hold on, let me speed up the cruise control. There we go. Oh, it's a little too fast for me. A little too fast, There we go. Let's see. I'll take the speed. Alright, so I'm about to head to my local mall. This wind is out of control. Alright, but this is how it is. I bought this dope ass bike mount, and because I have an Android device, Galaxy gang in these streets. Yeah, I know I have an iPhone as well, but Galaxy is always king to me. So that's how I'm able to record myself while I'm recording me riding down the fucking street. This is fucking dope. Make sure to always wear your helmet, guys, and be careful when you're like near doors and shit, because motherfuckers will open their door and kill you. It would be nice to have like a mirror. I'm probably gonna get some fucking mirrors on this shit, because turning my head while driving, not a go. But yeah, this is really dope. Alright, so just to explain a little more about the bike. So this is the power button. When you turn it on, you can see the lights. You see I have like 3 bars left over. So 3 bars means like 50 to 75%. At least that's what it says in the little packaging. So yeah, and listen to those rules, alright, because you will be caught out here, alright. So also, you can throttle it. So this is the throttle, right? That's to, you know, make it go fast or whatever speed. So let's say you want to go full speed, you throttle it all the way, and then you click this button right here, and that will enter cruise control. So you'll continue at that fast speed as you're riding. But yeah, this bike is really awesome. They also have a version that doesn't have pedals. It's just called the Jetson Bolt. Okay, it does the same thing, but I think that one has like Bluetooth enabled on it, so that's really super dope. But yeah, the only problem about the original Bolt is it doesn't have pedals. So for example, like last night, I went to go get food and I was on like 2 bars and I'm like, okay, that's about 7 miles, I should be good. Wrong. I got to get the food, and then on the way back, my battery started to die, so I was able to pedal the rest of the way home. So that's the dope part about having the pedals. So I would recommend paying the extra $50 to get the pedals. But if you're someone that's just going to be like just riding just for fun, and you know you're going to make sure you stay within the battery limits, get the regular Jetson Bolt. I have the link in the description down below. And let's get back to my ride that I was doing. Alright, let me just go over some more specs about this bike. This bike is actually foldable, so you can, the handlebars, you can detach the latch and fold the handlebars down to make it more compact. How long does it take to charge? It takes about 4 to 5 hours to charge. I do not recommend charging it overnight. I recommend charging it like late at night where you can watch the charge, because once the brick turns from red to green, you want to just unplug it. You don't want to leave it charging overnight. I've heard other people talk about how the battery can get messed up for overcharging it. So yeah, this bike is really awesome. It's about 350 bucks. If you go to the Costco website, you can order it straight from there. What else? Is there any other questions? Oh, if you want to use this for like how far does it go? How long does the charge last? It says it goes 15 miles, you know, on a full charge. I'm going to say anywhere from, I'm gonna say 9 to 12 miles. Also, if you're like on full throttle, I feel like it lasts maybe 2.5, 3.5 hours. So if you're planning on getting this for Uber Eats, I would recommend using like the pedal assist, because the pedal assist takes it from 15 miles on a full charge to 30 miles. That means you're like throttling it and you're pedaling at the same time. But yeah, this is the Jetson Bolt Pro. It's an awesome bike for someone if you just like want to just ride and have something that you can like use a motor to get the F back home if you don't want to ride anymore. But yeah guys, thank you for watching. This is HXG here. If you like these videos, let me know. Peace.